All right, now we're looking at question 2. So which expression represents the following statement? So it says 6 times the sum of a number and 5. So we're going to multiply 6 by the sum of a number and 5. So the sum, that means add a number, we can pick a letter, so maybe x and 5. So we're going to add x and 5, and we are doing 6 times that. So we can multiply the entire thing by 6 at the end. So the answer here would be A. So this one's also translating words into math, where we are now doing kind of a real world problem. So a soccer coach wants to order soccer balls online for her team. The soccer balls cost $9 each, and there is a shipping charge of $10. If S represents the number of soccer balls that the coach buys, which expression can be used to find the total cost of soccer balls? Okay, so we know our unknown here, we're saying is S, which they said if S represents the number of soccer balls, so that's soccer balls. And they're saying that each ball costs $9. So to represent that, we would do 9S, multiply 9 times S, because we could plug in any amount of soccer balls and figure out how much it's going to cost. And then there's a one-time charge of $10, so you would add $10 to that. So 9S plus 10 is our answer.